Greetings, traders. It is Wednesday, April 25th, 2018. The news has just come out. Just made a nice move down there. How many ticks is that? It's like 30, it's 50 tick move down. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so oil usually goes up into the news, but today it's going to go down. That most likely means it is going to continue to go down. As I said within my charting service, I laid out all the scenarios of what possibly would happen. What I'm going to do now is use the Newsday entry, and I'm going to take an entry into the news here. Most likely it's going to give a short entry. Now, it's a possibility that it could give a long entry, then roll over on another code. I also talked about that within my charting service. It just depends on what entry it's going to give here. If it's going to be a short, it's going to be big. It's going to go down big here. So I am looking for and waiting for the signal on the code. I will come back as soon as I take entry. Looks to me like it's getting ready to go up here. I don't have a signal yet. I am still waiting to receive the signal for the Newsday entry code. As soon as I get it, I'm going to take an entry. It's going to tell me which way it's going to go. It'll either continue to go down or it will move all the way back up again. Either way, it's going to be a big move, I think. Okay, it's a short. Setting stop. Stop is set to 39. This thing's going to drop out. I'm going to go for more than 60 ticks here. I'm going to take it down to 80 ticks. I think I can make it. It's going to drop out. 63, let's take it down to 53 is 70. Take it down to 43. That's 44. Let's go a little bit more here. 44, let's go down to 43. Okay, one more tick. All right. I've got, okay, it might go against me here. If it does, I'm going to go long. What that would mean is the Newsday entry is offset. It could be offset here. And if it does, it gets my stop, I will simply take a long position and go the other way. That's a 16 tick stop there, and I've got an 80 tick exit on this. If it's going to go down, it will drop out. If it's going to go up, it'll also make a very big move. Okay, it came and got my stop. I've got a long position here. I'm going to go for, let me calculate it real quick. I'm going to keep the 60 tick exit on this one. Just going to be a little bit more conservative here on this trade. Just take 60 ticks, should be able to get it. By the way, for those of you using the 5-minute breakout, you haven't taken a position yet, you will shortly. Okay, now you'd be in long using the 5-minute breakout. So my exit is all the way up for 60 ticks, going up to 68.01. Okay, it's ripping higher here. It just shot up to almost 80 right there. So yeah, see, it's really, really moving here. I'm telling you guys, oil is back. It is moving, baby. We're going to be able to make a lot of money from this. Oh, I've been waiting for this for quite some time. It's definitely moving. I probably could get more ticks off of this thing. Let me try to calculate what I think I could get. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm out. It already shot up there. But just look at how oil is moving. This thing's probably going to go a lot higher. You know, I'm trying to contain my happiness here because I'm trying not to get too happy. But this is really nice. The oil is back. This thing is really moving. Now, I'd really like to see this thing make a good move. Let's go take a look at the daily here. For the last 2 days in a row, oil has moved 170 ticks off the code 2. Can you imagine that? 170 ticks off the code 2. I have not seen oil do that in years. Many years now. I'm not sure how many years it's been. It's been at least 3. What's that, 2018? It's probably been 4, maybe 5 years since I've seen that. So this is really something big here. Something's going on with oil. I don't know what it is, whatever, but it is moving again. Really good too. I really like the way this is looking. Okay, so I'm all done here for today. If I hadn't lost that first trade, I would have came out well ahead, 60 ticks. But I lost that first trade. It was tricky. What it did was offset. And I said to watch out for that in my chart. I said the exact thing, watch out for the offset. And I knew it could happen, but I was going for it. I was going for it. It looked like it was going to go down. I was going to go for it, but it was offset, hit my stop. I went long with it. That's what you're supposed to do. Even if you didn't know that, you would have went long off the 5-minute break that I taught. The only thing that you're watching out for now, what I taught, is the roll back over. But you know what? I don't think it's going to roll over. Actually, it might. It might roll over. But that was an easy, quick, simple trade today. And I hope all of you charting members caught it. You should have caught it because you could have got in on multiple code 1 entries. Multiple code 1 entries. The only one that didn't work was the main one. All the other ones, all the secondary code 1 entries all worked. So easy to get in today. So I'll tell you everyone, oil's back. This is really looking good. I hope this isn't some sort of a fluke this week and it'll get, you know, not so busy next week or the week after, but I don't think so. I think it's back. That is happy news for all of us oil traders. We're all going to be able to start making some serious money at this again. I'm talking like 100 tick trades every day off the code 2. When you can do that and you lose like 15, 20 ticks on a trade or something like that, but you can turn around and hit 100 ticks, makes all the difference in the world. Then you start hitting 100 tick trades and your account just builds up like crazy, really fast. When you take a loss, you just laugh at it. It's nothing compared to what you're going to make. You always take small losses, of course, never big losses, because the code affords you that. Code will get you in where you're supposed to be, and if it's wrong, your loss is fairly small, usually always. In fact, it's moving so much, we can just use code 1 entries now. We don't even need to use the breakout technique anymore. The code 1 entries are working perfect. Matter of fact, I could start trading code 1 right now. This thing is really moving good. All right, traders, I am going to go. I will be back for the charting to chart this out and to help teach all of you charting members what I did, the mistake I made. Actually, I didn't really make a mistake. I was going with the math. I played it right. And it just happened to be offset, that's all. It's no big deal. Sometimes it's going to happen, sometimes it won't. But the point is when you see it offset like that and it comes to get your stop, you place the stop right, you can go in the opposite direction. Work most of the time, 90% of the time. And with that kind of a trading system, you can't help but make money. But you need to learn all about this. Watch my code 1, watch my code 2, come into the charting, listen to me every day, my daily video. Look at the charts, charting out the code. Look at the game plan for the next day. And just learn how to do what it is I'm doing, and then you're going to be able to come out ahead like you've seen me do over and over and over again. Now, for all of you out there, I've been getting a lot of questions. I don't trade on Monday because I need to establish what the code is. Half the time I don't trade on Friday because I'm going out. You know, when the trading starts on Friday, it's like 8 o'clock at night to me on Friday night, and I like to go out. And so only about half the time you'll see me trading on Friday. So most of the time you're going to see me trading Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then sometimes on Friday. But basically never on Monday, because I need to establish what the code is on Monday. So anyway, I'm going to go. Hope all of you traders are doing good. Hope all of you charting members hit this trade today. It was pretty darn easy. And I will see all of you in the charting, and I'll see all of you on YouTube. Hope you traders are being inspired by the code. It is fantastic. Happy trading out there.